Hey guys, it's Mr. Tearapart, and today I will be installing your vertical graphics card holder kit by Cooler Master. That's going to be going into the Lian PC-011 dynamic. That's the same case that I did a build on a couple of weeks ago. If you haven't checked that video out, go ahead and do so. And the reason for installing this kit in this case is because I have a MSI GTX Aero card 1080 that is being cooled in a hybrid all-in-one by EVGA. However, the card does not have a backplate and I want to get rid of that unsightly PCB board. So hopefully installing the vertical graphics card holder kit, again by Cooler Master, will help me achieve that. Now, Lian makes a vertical graphics card holder, but it's close to $100 on Newegg at the time of filming this video. And I got this one from Cooler Master. I think it was about 35 bucks shipped to your house. So I'm going to see if this actually fits or works in this case. I don't know if I'll have to do any customizing or any cutting or modifying, but we'll figure it out. So let's just go ahead and get right to it. Alright guys, so we're done with the installation and it went extremely well. Overall, this is very easy to install. There was no customizing. This fit perfectly into Lian's PC-011 dynamic, and of course it was a much cheaper option than the Lian version of the vertical graphics holder kit. As you saw, Cooler Master includes everything that you need in the box. There are all of the mounting screws. There's a PCIe riser cable. I did run some tests after I installed it, and the PCIe riser cable worked perfectly. I noticed no frame drops in any of the games that I played. And of course, the main reason for me to do all of this was for looks. I'm not going to lie, aesthetically this looks way better than it did, especially because in my case, my GTX 1080 from MSI did not have a backplate. So now that is no longer an issue, as you guys saw, and it is well worth the investment. Again, this was $35 shipped to my door. If you guys have thought about this and you weren't sure if it fit your case, I can honestly tell you it definitely fits the PC-011 dynamic, and I believe that if you have any case with 7 slots that are available on the back of your case, it should fit no problem. And I think that's all for today. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead and subscribe. If you have any comments, if you wanted to see anything else, any new modifications, anything else that I should be customizing, or any thoughts in general, go ahead and leave a comment.